Hi there and welcome to a video illustrating how you can publish content from your development environment through to the test environment and live environment. So when you're in development environment, when you click on edit mode, you can of course select any item of text. One of the important things is that when you make a change to text within your online form, you'll notice that there's a drop down option slightly below it which says change the scope. If you change the scope to form, it will update the title of the page across the whole form. If you wanted to just change the title on that page, then you would save it to that specific page. Now the reason why we've specifically shown updating the start page is the start page needs to have a framework chain publish when we want to move the changes from development to live. Any pages other than the start page, you can simply make a change to the text and publish the form only. So we're going to show you how you publish the framework and the form, but the important thing to remember is that if you change text on the start page, you need to publish the framework. Likewise, if you make a style sheet change, then you also need to publish the framework. So we're just going to quickly fill in a calculation here. And now we're also going to change something which can actually have a global context as well as page and form. So one of the things you'll notice is in the top right hand side you've got your reference number. Now something that some organisations like to do with their online forms is they'll change this to say write this down, so it makes it more obvious to the user that they need to keep this reference. What you'll see here is there's the option of page, form and global. With page and form you have the ability to save this change specific to that page, save it to that form. If you have more than one form from Integral or IEG4, it will automatically update the label on all of the forms that you have. So you basically have a lot of flexibility. When it comes to publishing the framework, all you need to do is click on Framework, click on the hyperlink between development and test, and then click Publish, adding in a reason for why you've made the change. Being able to add this reason means that you can track the log of all of the changes that have happened, and we'll show you how you can see the log in a minute. But importantly, I'm publishing the framework because we made a change to the start page. So once I've published it from development to test and test to production, I can look at the audit log and I can see the text that I've just added for each of those changes. So moving the text on the start page to the live form and also in test. Now, I also did a change on the guidance notes, and so for that I want to publish the form because it's not the start page, which is a shared page. So add in some notes there about the fact that we changed the guidance notes and the reference number label. So we've done it for development to test. We're now going to do it from test to production or live. And then once we've done that, we've basically done the publishing required to move everything that we've just done in the online form to live. So we can see that the title on the start page has now been changed. We can see the label on the right hand side has changed, and we can see the guidance notes has changed. I hope this has made publishing very clear for you. Many thanks.